It's like Christmas here at Gloss University because we got the brand new Ringbrothers Octavia edition Vyper chair, and they even sent us the brand new mini creeper. We actually don't have a mini creeper here yet, and while we do have lifts, these are always super handy when working on wheels or lower rocker panels, things like that. You know what's great about Vyper chair is that they're a Midwest, Wisconsin-based business that's been in the hot rodding and modification, metal modification industry for a really long time. If you go back in their history, the work that they've done with Ringbrothers and other hot rod builders in the industry is just really, really cool. So to have a piece like this in our shop and be able to show it off, including the fact that we worked on the car, is just the icing on the cake.
All right, I'm joining Dave here on the set because he's gonna need an extra set of hands to unbox these tools. Super excited. I think these are a great addition to the shop. I'm excited, so let's get into this, Dave. Let's go.
Cool. This one should be easy.
This is the part of unboxing that I love the most, is making a mess. There's a seat, a couple of the braces, high quality casters, nice. Let's get this out of the way. Let me do the deed, Dave. That's how it's done.
This thing is heavy duty. You can do it with your regular tools, but I would recommend actual tools. Like the locking nuts in here are pretty solid, so I would recommend having a decent sized wrench and a decent sized socket with a ratchet, just so that you can have the leverage to tighten them pretty easily. Super beefy, super nice. I can't wait to use it. And yeah, I love the casters. Everything's super solid, like Vyper brand stuff.
Fiber. Oh.
That is pretty dope though, it looks nice.